Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of TikTok. When you'll find this list of app and for you, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working, you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and then you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that issues here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.